Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel, ladies! So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on a company called Splendies. If you've never heard of Splendies before, Splendies is a monthly subscription service and they are all about panties. So if you're someone like me who likes to get new panties and I feel like you just can't have enough socks and panties, but you actually never go out and buy yourself any, this might be something that you would like. I love getting new underwear, so girl, let's see what these is all about. So I haven't opened this up yet. I wanted to open it with you guys. So I'm going to open them now so we can see what they look like, and then I'm going to give you guys some more information about this company and how it works. So obviously it comes in this cute little package, and this is what was inside. It's this cute little paper with hearts, and it's got the little Splendies sticker on the front. Ooh. Okay, so we've got 3 different pairs of undies here, and this is the first pair. They are navy blue, they're lined in lace, and they've got little dots and lines. I'll show you the pattern up close. They feel like a really nice, comfortable material, and as you can see, this is what the style looks like. They also have a little bow on the front. The next pair I have here, oh, these are super cute. They are gray with cream lace, and the entire back part is lace, and then it has lace in the front and a little bow. Woo, woo, woo. And last but not least, this is the third pair, and they are all lace. Boop. So the quality of these underwear feel really nice. They feel like a really nice material, and they're so cute. I love the lace. I love any kind of bow detail. So I actually really like these. So as I said, this company is called Splendies, and they are a panty subscription service. They're actually really affordable. It's only $13.99 a month, and every month you get 3 new panties. Their sizes go from small to 4X, so they've got a good variety of sizes. They also say that their sizes run small, so if you're in doubt about what size to get, they suggest getting a size up. Another thing I like about Splendies is anytime anyone makes a purchase from Splendies and they share their purchase online through social media, Splendies actually donates a pair of undies to someone in need. If you get any Splendies and you decide to share with the world what you got, make sure and use #giveapair. They also provided me with a coupon code for all of my followers, which I will leave down below, but the coupon code is Splendies, which is the name of the company, and you will get $4 off of your first purchase. They have lots of different variety, lots of different styles, lots of different patterns, so if you sign up every month, you'll get something new and fun and different every time, which I think is awesome. So anyways, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing and review of my Splendies panties. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below because you know I always love to hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about Splendies, and don't forget, if you make your purchase, use the coupon code to get your $4 off. I don't benefit from it, but obviously you will because you get a discount. And don't forget to share the #giveapair so that way they can donate to someone in need. See you guys next time. Bye.